Welcome to all my dear learner. My name is Rahul Ahir Rao and today's topic of discussion is pharmacy and healthcare system. That is pharmacy evolution, its past, current and future in India along with healthcare system, its importance we will see in this presentation. So at the end of this presentation, you will be able to know what is the past of the pharmacy in India, what is current pharmacy profession in India, and role of pharmacy profession in Indian healthcare system. So pharmacy is evolved in India. There is some history behind that. So initially Indian system of medicine is based on Veda, and it is believed that in 15 to 18,000 before Christ Veda is evolved in India. So meaning of Veda is the knowledge. So it is knowledge about or science about knowing the nature. That means Veda. So there are four Veda. The first one is Yajurved. Yajurved describes the mantra and yantra power, where Atharvaved describes diseases, their symptoms, medication, and Ayurveda. Samved, which describes singing, music, which is based on magnetic waves. As we know, the Tansen is the singer who brings rain by his song, so creating magnetic waves which bring down the rain on earth. So that is the science of magnetic waves which describe in Samved. Then Rig Veda, it describes the medicinal herbs and their importance, and invitation of God mantra for getting power or treatment of disease. So as we saw in previous presentations, Indian system of medicine is mainly based on Ayurvedic medicinal system. So Ayurveda means the science of long life, which is described by Atharvaved. So in Ayurvedic system of medicine, physicians are stay in the garden or their farms for cultivation of plant for treatment of diseases. So in the Ayurvedic system of medicine, it is well explained by Sushruta and Charaka, and they wrote a book of Ayurveda that is called Charak Samhita, which describes the various Ayurvedic system treatment against the diseases. Till today, we are using that Charak Samhita for treatment of various diseases in the Ayurveda. So Ayurveda mainly based on Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Then, when Muslim rule in India, Indian system of medicine from Ayurvedic medicine system changed to the Unani system of medicine. Then, allopathic system of medicine started when British ruled in India in 18th century. They developed the modern hospitals and which causes the promoting health of the society or nation. So due to the hospital organization, various healthcare practitioners are evolved, such as doctors or physicians, then pharmacists, nurses, technicians like blood bank officer, then lab technician, etc., medical workers, dietitians. So these healthcare workers are evolved during this hospital organization. So at this 18th century, physicians work as a diagnosis or treatment related only, and pharmacists work for only dispensing the medicine. So from this era, the physician limited his work to diagnosis or treatment, where pharmacists assist physician by dispensing the medicine. So at this time, dosage forms are also developed like tablets, capsules and injection. So you can see at the right side of corner of this session, there is a first Ayurvedic system of medicine is evolved in India, later Unani system when Muslims ruled in India, then British ruled India, started the allopathic system. You can see the capsules, tablets are evolved. Also later there is a manufacturing units are started, such as pharmaceutical industry with quality control unit is started in India. So after this or hospital organization, there is a one conference is held in September 1978 at Amla Ata as a primary health care. There is a goal of this international conference is health for all by 2000 AD. So some important points regarding this international conference. Later, pharmacy profession in India developed rapidly with industrial pharmacist, hospital pharmacist, academic pharmacist and community pharmacist. So you can easily reflect by right hand corner of presentation images role of the pharmacist profession. As a industrial pharmacy work in industry, hospital pharmacists the pharmacists who worked in hospital organization for dispensing, then academic pharmacist who work in the education as a pharmacy teacher, and community pharmacist in community shop. So pharmacists must have specialized knowledge regarding drug and mode of action. So he must have to know how drugs will act on body and body will respond to the drug. So it he must have to know mode of action of drug within the body. Then pharmacist is responsible for dispensing and compounding the drug which will brings him close to the physician. Also when he percolate his health related information to the patient, he brings himself very close to the patient. That's why pharmacist is an important link between physician and patient. Roles of pharmacist. So pharmacists have various roles. You can see in the presentation. Prescription adherence is the role of pharmacist. As prescribed by physician, you must have to dispense the drug. Then storage and distribution of drug as per the indication provided by manufacturer. Then gives the proper choice of drug to proper physician as per the age group. Then monitoring of the drug activity like effect, side effect, and their efficacy of the drug. Then to provide information and education related to disease as well as the drug acting on human body. Then sixth role of physician, along with physician as a pharmacist, the clinical pharmacokinetic study. That means absorption, distribution, and excretion of the drug within the body, that must have to be explained by pharmacist. Then another role of pharmacist is research and development of the new drug or existing drug to improve the efficacy and treat the diseases. You can see in the picture the first picture of the prescription adherence of the pharmacist, second picture is storage and distribution of the drug in the pharmacy, drug of choice of the pharmaceutical medicine, then monitoring of drug activity by various studies, then giving the information and education related to the drug at the left corner of this presentation. And you can see there is a research and development activity on various plant or animal for development of the disease. Now this comes the thought of the day. If people throw stones at you, it's up to you how you take it and convert them into the milestone for others and for you also. So this is all about the pharmacy and their role in healthcare system. Hope this presentation will explain well and you understood well about the pharmacy profession and their role in healthcare system. Thank you for watching this video and keep learning.